Welcome to my channel, Fact Pulse Quizzes. Guess the animals, 50 questions, 5 seconds for each. Largest land mammal. It's elephant. Highly intelligent. Dolphin. Fastest land animal. Cheetah. Excellent swimmers. Polar bear. Tallest living land animal. It's giraffe. Mate for life. Penguin. Sleeps 20 hours a day. It's koala. Uses tools for tasks. It's chimpanzee. 3 hearts. It's octopus. Powerful hind legs. Kangaroo. Largest cat species. It's tiger. Eats mostly bamboo. It's panda. Survived since dinosaurs. It's crocodile. DNA similarity to humans. It's gorilla. Can rotate head 270 degrees. It's owl. Taste with their feet. It's butterfly. Egg-laying mammal. It's platypus. Largest lizard species. It's Komodo dragon. Shell is bulletproof. It's armadillo. Only bird that can hover. It's hummingbird. Has thick skin and horns. It's rhinoceros. Mate for life in packs. It's wolf. Strongest creatures, pound for pound. It's ant. Slowest mammal. It's sloth. Can drink 40 gallons at once. It's camel. No brain or heart. It's jellyfish. Mola displays vibrant plumage. It's peacock. Largest animal on Earth. It's blue whale. Unique stripe pattern. It's zebra. Defense mechanism, rolling into a ball. It's hedgehog. Camouflaged in snow. It's snow leopard. Can leap up waterfalls. It's salmon. Remarkable eyesight. It's eagle. Known for a happy expression. It's quokka. Large eyes for nocturnal vision. It's tarsier. Silk is stronger than steel. It's spider. Mimics human speech. It's parrot. Large ears for heat regulation. It's fennec fox. Vibrant colored bird with long tail. It's quetzal. constantly grows new teeth. It's shark. Largest seal species. It's elephant seal. White fur for Arctic camouflage. It's Arctic hare. Essential pollinators. It's bee. Can change color rapidly. It's chameleon. Scales made of keratin. It's pangolin. Sleeps on one leg. It's flamingo. Largest land mammal in North America. It's bison. Travels vast distances. It's albatross. Highly aggressive. It's hippopotamus. Mala carries the eggs. It's seahorse. Thank you for joining us. If some facts surprised you, tell us in the comment section. Subscribe for future adventures. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.